Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do Leetcode 2079 watering plants. So the question is very straightforward. So we are giving an array plants. So inside of the plant, it is each of the plant how much water each of the plant needs. So for example, the first plant needs 2 units of water, and the second needs 2, the third needs 3, and the fourth needs 3. But at the -1 position, we can refill the water if we use the up of the water. So we also have a capacity of 5. It means at this position, we're gonna take 2 units of water, the capacity becomes 3. And then we go to this position, the capacity becomes 1. And from this position, we know we cannot water the next plant, so we will go back to the -1 position. But for each of the step, we will count one step. For example, from -1 to 2, it is one step. From 2 0 index to 1 index to another 2, it is another one step. But from here, the step is 2 plus 3, because from here we will go back 1, 2, and then we will go forward to this 3. It is a 3. Yeah. So this is only the difference. So if we can't water a plant anymore, and we should add the position before this plant. Yeah, so we should use the 2 plus 3. Yeah, and if we can still water the plant, we just need 2 plus 1. For example, we are at this position, we have a capacity of 5. It means we can water this plant, so we need 2 plus 1 to our result. And when we go this position, we can still plus 1. But when we go to this position, it means we cannot water anymore. What are we gonna do? We're gonna go back. So from this place, we're gonna go back from this number 2. Yeah. And then we will go forward to this number 3. So this is why it is a 2 plus 5. Yeah. As you can see here, it is 1, 1, 2 plus, 2 plus 3. And also for the next step, it is a 3 plus 4. Yeah. Now let me just code it. We're gonna define a result. So the result will be 0. It is how many steps we need, and we're gonna return this result. And we also need a original variable. This original variable will be the capacity, because if we used up the water, we need to have the original of the water, how much of it, and it is the capacity. So it is the capacity. Now we can use our for loop to check. So for I plant in enumerate plants. So this plant means how much water we need at each position, at each I position. So we're gonna check if this capacity, if this capacity is more than and equal than the plant. So this means we can still water the plant. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna just result need to plus 1. And at the same time, there's a else condition. It means if the capacity is no more than the plant. So what we should do? We're gonna result plus this 2 times I plus 1. Yeah, so this is what I mean. So this means if you are at this position, you cannot water the next. So you're gonna go back. There are 2 steps. So this is I, but your I position is already at the index 2. So this is why for the first step it is I, and then it is I plus 1, because you are always at the -1 position. So this is means 2I plus 1. So for each of the conditional check, we need to use the capacity minus the plant, because for each of the for loop, we're gonna check how much water remaining for our can, because we have a water can, and what is remaining? It is the capacity minus the plant. Plant is each plant, how much water each plant needs. Yeah, now let's just run it to check if it really works. Yeah, I think I need to, yeah, so let me just submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases. Yeah, so there is a wrong answer. So I think I need to capacity. This is capacity result plus 1 and the capacity minus the plant. And here, yeah, we also need to take this original because from here, the capacity should be the original. This means we're gonna refill the water. Yeah, so the capacity should equal to this original. Now let me submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases. Because for each of the time we have to refill the water. And what is the meaning of refilled water? It means the capacity should equal to this original. As you can see, it's pretty fast, nearly 100%. So if you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will upload more Leetcode problem like this. See you